Hi everybody, it's Tiffany and I'm back with another video. I am pretty sure I'm going to make this really quick. I'm probably going to say that every video, but I think I'm going to make this really quick because I have other stuff to do today. Yeah, so I've been watching a lot of Amazon favorites or must-buys from Amazon or Amazon hauls on YouTube, and as a fellow Amazonian, it was only right to film a video. Hopefully the background music doesn't bother you. It just makes me more comfortable to film if I have like music going. Thing is, I have like a million things, and this is why I have to keep it short, is because I have a million, trillion, 100,000 things that I love from Amazon. It could take all day. So I just had to pick a few, just like a few that I've used in the past 24 hours just to keep it short. So the first one is going to be this Jade Roller. And this I got from Amazon from Roseland Boutique, and it is gold and jade. I'm not super educated on like the different rollers and different stones and everything like that. Apparently some are more durable, I don't know. But it came with this little piece as well, which I believe you're supposed to put under your eyes, like keep it in the fridge and put it under your eyes and kind of like do kind of like lymphatic drainage. One of my friends and also somebody I follow on YouTube, Nikki Secrets, they put sheet masks on and roll their face. So I just did that last night and it was so calming. Like I just put the whole thing on my face and because at first I was kind of wary about using these because I felt like after I do my skincare, I try my best not to touch my face. I don't want anything touching my face just for fear of bacteria getting in my pores. So just like rolling something onto my face just didn't seem like it was for me. But the whole putting a face mask on and then rolling the face with the face mask on was genius to me. That's how I use this. I want to get a skincare fridge so I can keep this cold and keep it in here. I'm filming in my, I don't know if it's gonna be an office. I don't know what to call it. An office, a closet, a beauty room. I think I want to do that definitely. Next, which is kind of weird. Well, it's not weird. In these times, I think you should have one of these in your home. This is a thermometer. So I have two kids, so we always have thermometers in the house, but our favorite are the temporal thermometers, and we've gone through two, and our favorite ones, I don't know what they're doing with the prices of thermometers now, but they're outrageous. I don't know, it's because we're in a pandemic and they just feel like everybody needs them. So on Amazon they're mad expensive, so I couldn't even get the one I wanted. I think it was sold out, I don't even know. But this one is really cool because you can do ear temping, and you can also put this on and do the forehead. So it's super easy. All you have to do is just like hold it, this button, and then like swipe and then let go, and it'll read your or give you your temp. And you can put it on, but you can switch the mode to house and then just hold it. And as you can see it's reading that 76 degrees in this room right now. So it's really cool. I don't know when I would need to know what the temperature of the air around is, but if I ever did, then I could use this thermometer. You have to have a thermometer when you have kids, and I think when my kids are sick, they're not sitting around for like under the arm or any of that. They are doing quick, and they actually like sitting there just waiting for it to beep so they can figure out, you know, do I have a fever? Next one is earphones. I've had these literally for over probably a year and a half. And I just used these during my workouts today because I had Beats before. I had a couple, but I feel like Beats, the quality's not there anymore or something. Anytime I'm in Best Buy or, I don't know, Walmart, Target, anywhere, and I hear a speaker and I'm like, oh, that's a really good sound. What is that? It's always JBL. So we have a JBL sound bar and like subwoofer, and that thing pops. So naturally, I was like, I wonder if JBL makes earphones. I Amazon searched for JBL headphones, and I found some all pink ones, which were right up my alley, and I love them. They hold a charge super long, so I keep them in my gym bag, and I don't have to take them out every single time to charge them. They are Bluetooth. They charge with the typical like Droid type of charger. These are bomb. Oh, I almost forgot. Another favorite. If you noticed in my last video, I like to use a fan for my setting spray. It's also a great, you know, conversation ender if you say something smart and you're like, I didn't want to come here anyways. It's always great. I got a pack of 8. I gave my daughter 1 and we just flip our fans all around, but they're gorgeous. And I think most people would probably say they're ridiculous, but aren't most fun things ridiculous? I don't know, but I don't care either. So, and my eyes are watering, so this is actually a good show of how it works. This is how you use a fan. Would I use these in public? Yes. These put out a lot of air, like they really do. Eye masks. Eye masks are so aesthetically pleasing. When I watch Nikki Secret's Instagram, I cannot take it. I stand so hard. These are collagen eye treatment masks, and I believe this is another Korean company, and it comes in a little jar. It's got a little plastic stopper on top, and then it also has this little spatula so you can kind of get your eye mask out without kind of contaminating everything. They're green. I don't want to, they're super slippery, but if you can see, it's super slippery, but there are 60 in here. So I think it's 30 pairs, or if it's 60 pairs, I don't know, but I'm happy. And I also got these off of Amazon. The next thing that I got off of Amazon, I only have a few of them here, but these face spatulas. I said in a blog post a couple posts ago that I just don't like putting my hands in my skincare. It's not that my hands are just filthy. It's just that I feel like you're gonna have germs on your hands, and when you're putting them in like jars of things, like it's gonna multiply. It's not constantly getting cleansed. It's just a jar of gel. So I try not to put my hands in my things. If it's an eye gel, I'll use a Q-tip and just swirl it in and just dot it under my eyes. And if it's something bigger, then I'll use a spatula. They're plastic. Some of them are antimicrobial. I can't remember if these are, but you can like douse them in alcohol, sanitize them, and then use this to apply your masks and things without having to be so stringent on like, what's the last thing that I touched? Did I touch my phone? And then I'm gonna touch my face, and then what do I have? Breakout. Skincare must have spatulas. I just keep them all, and this one, all in a little mason jar and on my shelf. The last thing that I am super excited about, I got a 32 pack. This is obviously not 32 of them, but I got a 32 pack of Korean skincare sheet mask off of Amazon, and I was so impressed because I thought for some reason I was gonna get 32 and they'd all kind of be the same thing, but they're not. They all have different purposes. You can read, even though the back is all in Korean, they have little English part too. So but most of it is written in Hangul. It is awesome because you get so many and they're so moisturizing. There's always like juice left in the pack, and you can just like smother it all over your neck and just, it's just amazing. I was just really excited. These actually came yesterday. I have half up here in my sheet mask drawer, and then I have half in the fridge downstairs in a baggie. Another reason why I need my own skincare fridge. So what I do, I put my eye mask on and then my face mask on. So even if it is a sheet mask that goes right on top of my my eye mask, and even if it's like a clay mask or something, I'll have my eye mask on and then the clay mask around it. And I found that even peel off masks, if you accidentally get some on top of your eye mask, it's actually a good thing. When you peel off your eye mask, it helps you peel off the mask on the rest of your face. So anyway, that is, it feels so weird to say that's all my favorites because it's not. But that is all my Amazon must-have favorites for today. I'm looking around and I can see a ton of things that I would love to feature in my next Amazon video. Amazon probably hates me because you'll get to the end and it'll say, would you like to minimize the number of trips to your address and receive all your items in one box? No, fast. I need it immediately. Immediately. I know they're probably at the warehouse like, seriously, why can't this chick just like figure out what she needs all at once? It is what it is. I've already worked out for the day. Yay me, yay me, yay me. Thank you for watching my Amazon favorites, and I hope you come back and watch more. I'll have lots of ideas for new videos. My eyes, get it together, girl. I just have to film them. I don't have a professional setup. I just use the natural light from my windows, and that kind of limits me to only filming during the daytime. So now I understand why people have lights, because I was like, I'm not investing in a light, I have windows. But anyways, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and go follow me on Instagram. The Element Site is the username. It's the Element Site. And visit my website, and it's theelementsite.com to keep up with my blog posts. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I hope everyone is staying safe and social distancing and staying at home if that's what your state's doing. And yeah, I'll see you again in another video. I'm just waiting for you to subscribe. Yeah. Go ahead. Did you do it yet? Did you do it yet?